Right, welcome back to my another new video. So the topic of the today's video is why I stopped trading everything else. So the main context of the video is why I stopped trading with too many pairs. Okay. So suppose if I open the trading view or whatever broker you use to watch charts, how many charts would I see open right now? 5, 10, maybe 20. Okay. Because mine used to be like this too, uh, in one gold is open in one chart, EURUSD, GBPUSD, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, crude oil, everything mixed up in one tab and complete mess. Okay, so basically I used to think like if it is moving, so I am watching it. Like no matter where it is moving, if it's bearish, bullish, I used to not care. Okay, and the funny thing is, I genuinely believe that somewhere inside those charts was the secret to becoming profitable. I thought more opportunities meant more money, more markets meant more setups, more charts meant more chances. Like looking back, that was probably one of the dumbest assumptions I made as a trader. Okay, because the thing that started improving my trading wasn't asking more markets, it was removing them. Okay, today I only focus on three: XAUUSD, EURUSD, and GBPJPY. Right, so but before I explain all this, let me quickly introduce myself to you all. So my name is Aman. uh, I got introduced to financial markets in 2023 during my first year of college, learning concepts, uh, learning strategies, and thinking, okay, this is the one. Then next week, a new video, another strategy, another breakthrough. And then I actually started trading around 2025 uh, because and it humbled me very quickly. Like I got my first SL in first trade because the market doesn't care about how many videos you have watched. The market only cares about execution. And my biggest problem wasn't strategy, it was discipline. I used to lack discipline like very badly. I was very bad at starting. I knew things I just couldn't consistently apply then. And like that's when I started questioning everything. And that's why, like, at that time, I only think like I will make a YouTube channel and there I will upload all this. So somebody who's starting their journey can watch me and learn with me somehow something. Okay, so let's move to our next section, too many markets. Now let me show you the biggest mistake I think most traders make. They try to become expert in everything like gold, forex, crypto, indices, commodities, everything. Your brain just shut down. Like it tells you that quit all this, stop all this, and have some chill. It's very hard. It's very rigid. And then something funny happens. Like you spend another 3 hours doing analyzing nothing and taking zero trades or worse. Like if you will take a trade against the market, you will make a SL8 or you will not have a SL and take and hope the trend like you take a random trade because you are confused. That's analysis paralysis. Like you have heard about it, analysis paralysis. Too much analysis also is a very bad disease. You should never do too much analysis. Only do as much it is required and gives you confidence to sit on trade desk. Okay, and I think it's killing more traders than match strategies. Yeah, so let's move to our next section. In this section, we will learn about the real problem. Like, what's the real problem where traders are missing out? Like, for a long time, I thought my problem was strategy. I genuinely thought if I can just find the perfect setup, everything changes. But here's what I realized. The problem was attention because attention is limited. Every market demands attention, every chart demands energy, and every opinion demands mental peace. Okay, and I was spreading mine across way too many things. The moment I stopped trying to watch everything, things became clearer, not easier, just clearer. Okay, and that changed everything for me. So let's move to our next section, the three markets framework. Okay. So eventually, I made a decision: three markets. That's it. XAUUSD, gold, EURUSD, GBP, JPY. No random crypto, no jumping between 10 currency pairs, no constantly watching changing watch lists, just three markets every day. And here's the interesting part: the more time I spent watching these markets, the more familiar they became. Like, I started noticing things I would have missed before, not because I became smarter, because I became familiar. Like, if you watch something for many days, you will become familiar. Suppose you like a movie and you watch it again, then you also become familiar. You can connect with that movie. Like, you can understand what I'm trying to tell you. And familiarity is underrated in trading. In trading, you also need familiarity. Familiarity with your pair, with the broker, everything. You need to be familiar with everything. Okay, so let's start with gold. Gold is my favorite market. I won't lie. But honestly, probably with the market that attract most traders, it also attracts me. It's my favorite pair of all time. Okay, like I can trade it every day. It's like it's my favorite. I am obsessed with it because when gold starts to move, it moves. You don't need to start a chart for 6 hours hoping for a candle. The opportunities are there in gold, especially during New York session. That's what attracted me. Like during New York session, the volatility, the speed, the movement, and are always on peak. But see, gold is a dark side too. It punishes stupidity. Okay. I know it is fast, but fast can also hurt you sometimes. Like suppose you are trying to take a trade, but you get never chance to take a trade in gold if you are not fast enough to catch that trade. Like if your risk management is weak, gold will find out immediately and it will punish you. Like it will punish you by giving very big SLs. Okay. Oh, one tip I will tell you that if you are trading gold, never trade with big lots. Like if you're trading and you have a nice setup, try with one lot, then you hit your target one, then try to increase it, but don't try to trade with 5 lots, 6 lots. Okay, so that next comes EURUSD is completely different. Like if gold is the wild child, then EURUSD is a mature adult. It's slower, cleaner, more predictable, and honestly, that's why I love it. EURUSD helped me understand structure better. It helped me become patient about what patience is in trading. Because sometimes the best trade is not the exciting one, okay? It's the boring one. Like if you're like I will share my personal experience. Around 3 to 4 months ago, I was trading EURUSD. I found a setup, but was waiting for entry. It took me 4 hours to take an entry, and that trade gave me around 1:5 risk to reward ratio, and I earned enough. Like it was a very massive trade for me. That gave me a huge confidence. Yes, I know it's a boring one, and EURUSD taught me that this pair won't always give you fireworks, but it teaches discipline, and that's valuable. Okay, all right. Now we have GBPJPY, and this pair is absolutely insane. If you have traded it, you already know. GBPJPY doesn't walk; it runs. Like it literally runs in front of your eyes. It gives you such movement that you can't imagine. Like when momentum enter this market, the moves can be huge, and that's exactly why I watch it, because it gives me something different from gold and Euro USD. Momentum, aggression, range, but it also demands respect. GBP JPY exposed many weaknesses in my trading, and honestly, I am glad it did. So I blowed and funded account because of a trade I took in GBP JPY. And the mistake I did was I didn't apply a stop loss. I thought that how much down it can come, but it came around $160 down that day on one single candle. Okay, so see, because uncomfortable lessons are usually the ones that stick with you. Like today, I also can remember it. Okay, yeah. So now let's talk why these three. Why I chose these three. Now here is why I think this combination works. Gold gives me volatility, Euro USD gives me structure, and GBP JPY gives me momentum. It's simple. Three different personalities, three different behaviors, and three different lessons. Together, they give me everything I need to trade and earn my money. And that's the key point. Everything I need, not everything available. Most traders are chasing more. I'm trying to understand less better. Okay, all right. So let's now next talk about the next section, the real edge. And this is probably the most important slide in the entire video. Okay, I think most traders are watching for an edge in the wrong place. They are searching for it in indicators, strategies, secret concepts, new markets. Meanwhile, the real edge might be familiarity. Okay, think about it. When you watch the same markets every day, you start recognizing patterns faster. Like you think yesterday gold moved like that, today also gold is moving like that, so I can catch something. Okay, you start recognizing patterns, you build confidence, you understand behavior, you stop feeling lost. Yeah, like you can build confidence by just staring markets all day. All right, so next come to our next section. Oh, so see if there is one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this: stop asking what market should I add next. Start asking what should I understand better, because I genuinely believe that most traders would improve faster if they reduce completely complexity instead of adding more of it. Okay, choose few markets, study them deeply, show up every day, and let familiarity do the work. Like, okay, it will take some time. Have some patience, and I will try to tell you that always try the demo account, trade it for 2 3 weeks, and gain some confidence. Like you can handle a real money. Don't try to invest your money too early. Like in forex, I've learned that preserve your capital very, like you preserve something special, preserve your capital. Don't waste a single dollar anywhere in any trade. Okay. Okay. So all right. Let's come to the end of this video too. I would just say that this is just the beginning of AMFX and my too. Over the coming weeks and months, I will be documenting my journey through these three markets. You will see daily market debriefs, trading strategy breakdowns, weekly market outlooks, wins, mistake, lesson, everything. See if you're interested in following a trader who is trying to get better in one session. Uh, so you can follow me. Like if you want someone who is earning only money, that it's not here. Okay. So please just hit subscribe, and if you have made this far, drop a comment and tell me how many markets are on your watch list right now. I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye. Take care.